Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Do y'all see that? I can't put my camera on the sun because it would ruin the lens. But do y'all see that? Guys, it is December 25th. The day that's set aside to celebrate Christmas, right? It has to be, I promise you. If not 70 degrees, at least close. It has to be close to 70 degrees. It is, I'm in the Atlanta, Georgia area, right? And so I don't know what's going on the other side of the country. Uncle Mark, them, they over there in Canada. I think Tim in North Carolina. Caper, where's Caper? Caper out there in Canada also. A lot of you guys, I heard y'all have some freezing temperature. But guys, it has to be 70 freaking degrees out here. All right, what's my day consist of? Everybody gone. She gone. They in my white Journey. This is the van I drive to work. So guys, they left me some breakfast in there to eat. I'm gonna spend the day cleaning up this, guys. Yes. I have a lot of work to do. Now I had to keep this part, like she demands some space to park her car, right? If it wasn't for that demand, guys, this part here would be looking just like that. All right, it's just a matter of finding time to get everything right, and I'm going to do that. I'm gonna spend some time today cleaning up. Bought a bunch of these just boxes from Amazon. Y'all know how women do. Amazon, they order stuff, and the boxes just wind up out here. See trash bags left in the kitchen for me to grab and take out to the trash, which is now. But yes, what a beautiful day, guys. Maybe I can finally get this is my weight bench, my squat rack and things like that. Now, it's not that I'm going to eliminate my gym membership, because I'm a member of LA Fitness and Planet Fitness for that matter. Yeah, I film out of both of those. But I want a home setup where I can feel comfortable speaking and exercising and making videos at the same time. All right. Yes, I'm a fitness enthusiast. It's the word I like to use, okay? Yeah, we're going to get into that because right now I'm on a car channel. But like I say, I will find some time. See, I need my truck because a lot of this is trash. So I need my truck, but my truck has scrap on it to go to the scrap yard. I hope the scrap yard open tomorrow, guys. We're going to, not tomorrow, Monday. Tomorrow's Sunday. I hope the scrap yard open Monday. I'm going to the scrap yard because I need room on my truck to get all this junk. So, yeah, guys, let me do this. These are not new bikes. These just bikes. Remember I told y'all, I think I'm going to put a electric motorized. It's a long story. All right, let me take a break right quick. Let me go grab a glass of water or grab me a water bottle. And guys, I got some stuff to do. Y'all ain't doing nothing. I mean, ain't nothing on TV but parades and stuff like that. I done saw there's some sports, some NBA coming on later and some NFL. I'm gonna catch some of that. But other than that, yeah, let me go grab a bottle of water, guys. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Some good stuff, guys. All right, where do we start? JT, what do you start? First, I need a empty trash can. I don't know, guys. I'm not gonna throw. This is where's my gun? I got a gun, guys. Y'all see that? Now, I'm a gun owner. Don't get me wrong. Real gun owner. This is to do some little hunting in the back. All right. I have a squirrel problem back there, and I'm basically tired of them getting on my roof. So I can just go in the back of my yard and just see the squirrels back there, literally on my roof, guys. All right. Now, I'm not hunting squirrels to eat squirrels. Okay. But I think only two main squirrels back there know exactly where I live and how to get in my roof. I've had just about enough. Now, I ain't no killer, but don't push me. Don't test me. Okay? I done warned them time and time again to get out. Now, you just can't be out in your neighborhood shooting a real gun, right? So I went to Walmart and got me an F4 break barrel air rifle. Now I just got to find out how to shoot it. All right, I'm going to erase that. Pretend y'all didn't hear that. Yes, I know how to shoot a freaking gun. All right, my studio. Guys, it's not that I've given up on it. I just got to... I'm going to tell y'all something about music studio and music production. You don't really need a big studio. Now, even this is small, but it's still overkill. You need a laptop, some creativity, and a sound module and something to produce the sound. That's a long story, but yeah, I got some 2 people waiting on tracks from me. I'm doing those on my laptop though. So this is not holding me back from being creative from a music standpoint. Oh, I got some beats up. Ooh, but that's neither here nor there. I told y'all about my bike. I'm gotta get motorized. Look at this, guys. Caught this on sale at Lowe's. Y'all know Craftsman is Lowe's now. I mean, it was too low to turn down. And I'll use it, I guess, when I get. Oh, all right. I know some of y'all gonna call me a pig. I like to see some of y'all garages. Okay, yeah. Anyway, yeah. This is. I need time. All right, yes, and I'm gonna spend some time doing this. As far as yeah, I gotta clean this up. The homeowners association said they can't sit out here. Y'all remember I told y'all about my yard? How I had to I don't even know if I upload that video. Y'all might not even. Guys, let me tell y'all the technology they're using now. Okay, I had a water leak inside, right? Water. This house, this is not a new house, right? This is an older house. But back in the day when they was building these houses, there's my main water meter, right? They was running most of the water pipes from the water main heater on the ground. Most all of them on the ground. But I want to say they routed this one straight from there under the ground. Now under the ground. Remember, I had a repair leak right here. I had a leak right here that I dug down there and everything, but I ended up calling a plumber to come out and fix it. Oh, I hate it. I wasted that money. I could have did that myself. But anyway, that same pipe running from that meter goes under the house, crossing the house, and then goes to my hot water heater in the garage. It broke inside, underground. So all that water was coming up in my house. And they have since fixed that. Notice I even got that big glass. I don't know if y'all remember, it was a big glass right there. That's gone. But let me tell y'all what they're doing now. It's pretty smooth. The water meter, instead of finding out where the leak is from here to here, it's got to be in there because that's where all my water coming up in the floors of the house. They done already fixed that. Here's what we do. I had them to reroute it. It was my idea and their idea. Why don't we just reroute it? All right. So yeah, so they brought a hole over here, one of those digging things, all the way up through here. They went underneath the sidewalk, up through here, and I got a hose right here. That hose is coming from the water meter. It goes all the way up into the garage. From the garage, all of my water heater, hot water heater's over here. So that's where all the main water goes. Yeah, see, so it's going in the attic. So I guess that's the thing now. Nobody gonna keep trying to fix those little blue poly or blue things. I might be pronouncing that wrong. Yeah, it's gonna keep breaking. It's the old stuff. I ain't having that. So they just rerouted it up in the attic. Now I'm screwed if I have a leak up in the attic. Everything gonna come down. But what is the likelihood of that versus a tree limb puncturing a hole in my line? There's no tree. There's a tree right there that's about to get cut. But what are the chances of something puncturing a hole? And if it happened out here, I can fix it. Because they didn't go deep at all. But yeah. Man, I done got way off track. This is an automotive channel, JT, not a plumbing channel. Guys, I don't have a tripod to set up. And plus, this will be a boring video if I just film me cleaning up. So we won't go through that. I won't put y'all through that. So I don't know. I'm careful when I say Merry Christmas. A lot of non-religious guys out there get upset. So I tend to use the phrase Happy Holidays. Let me put it like that. All right, Happy Holidays, man, from your boy JT, the car guy with online mechanic tips. I'm gonna spend some of my time, some of my day cleaning up. I hope you guys have better plans than I have. All right, you shouldn't be doing all this foolishness on a holiday such as this. But this is where I would be for the next couple hours. How much I'm gonna get done? I don't know. It remains to be seen, but we'll see. All right, I'm gonna fire the camera back up. I'm gonna be in the same spot 7 days from now. Will be New Year's. The day is Saturday. It will be New Year's. We will be closed. Nobody's open, so I will be right here. I'm gonna give y'all a view of this, and I guarantee you it will not be looking like this. At least I hope not. All right. Ooh, by the way, my neighbor got some nice Christmas lights. I'm gonna do a video today, so it'll upload today on Christmas. I want that background to be my background, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna hook it up. Well, guys, let me get out of here. That's all I have for now. You guys enjoy the rest of your holidays, man. Thanks for watching. Your boy, Online Mechanic Tips, JT the Car Guy. I got work to do. All right, I'll see y'all. And we still live streaming tomorrow, guys. Live streaming tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Don't forget, Tim Astro Auto Repairs come on at 7. I'm hoping maybe I can get Uncle Mark to join me on a live stream. I'm hoping he have a camera set up and we can chop it up. Y'all can see what Uncle Mark up to. Okay, he's putting out videos left and right. All right, let's find out what Uncle Mark. I don't know. I can't promise you. I'll check with him today and see how he feel about that. You know, some people, hey, and he might get to introduce us to that little dog that ring the bell all the time.
Little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Yeah, y'all keep your fingers crossed. All right, I got work to do, guys. Thanks for watching.